Hello and welcome to the second day of the Festival of Speed. It's Saturday again, and lots of things to experience, lots of action to be seen here, and we're going to start with the good bit today. We're going to start with the Porsche batch 5. That's going to be in like a half an hour, and like yesterday it's going to be epic, and I'm probably going to return to the Goodwood house, to the central feature, to see that Porsche moment once again, because yesterday it was just so magical, so I want to see it again today. But first I want to show you a very special Porsche that has been developed to race at the 2000 Le Mans 24 Hours, but the development didn't go through. They didn't race it because they didn't want to go into competition with Audi, and thus they cancelled the Le Mans program back then. That car rarely comes out. It belongs to the what's it called? The Porsche collection. It hasn't been out in years, and this weekend it's here at Goodwood. So let me show it to you. It's a beautiful car, just completely blacked out, and very cool to see it here this weekend. That last car that you just saw there was the fully electric Pikes Peak car that Volkswagen built for the Pikes Peak hill climb. And that car didn't just break the Pikes Peak record, it obliterated the record that Sébastien Loeb set with Peugeot, I think, a few years ago. So it's an amazingly fast car, and it's really interesting that a fully electric car just obliterated the previous record that was with a combustion engine. But right now, batch 5, the Porsches are going to race, and I'll give you a very good look at that as well, just like I did yesterday. That was batch 5, the Porsches, and right now they're gathering here again in front of the Goodwood house, and the Porsche 356 number 1 is just driving by. So let's enjoy this moment just like yesterday. Now that's goosebumps every single time. It always does the trick. But we're going to go get some lunch right now, and then we'll be back to get you some more action from the track. So I'll see you in an hour. And just like that, it is once again time for some epicness. So that was some contemporary and historic F1, and I'm actually just looking at the Goodwood Central feature, the Festival Speed Central feature, which is right here. I'll show it to you now because it looks beautiful from this angle here. Just a stunning piece of engineering, both the fact how it stands up and the amount of cars, epic cars that are on there. And I don't exactly know what we're going to do now, but I'll keep you posted. Now a jetpack is something that I used to spawn in video games using cheat codes like GTA San Andreas and stuff like that, if you've ever played that game. But how the hell has humanity come to a point where we can actually produce something like this? And I think it's just hilarious to see that guy fly around here. Let me know if you think it's hilarious too. So since the last time you saw me, we went and made some cinematics and videos or shots of cars that are meant for future videos. And then I had to rush back to that spot where I was earlier, where I was a few seconds ago, to catch the last batch of the day, and that was just now. And the next thing that I'm going to do is make some more shots for future videos, and then we're coming back here to the area behind me, and we'll take a look at all the epic classic and sports cars that are there. I can see, for example, a Bugatti EB110 from out here. So we're taking a look at that later today, or for you in a few seconds actually, because that's the power of video. We were just talking to the lovely gentleman right there about this David Piper 917, and he opened up the car for us. Beautiful inside. Let's take a look. As you can see, we have arrived. This is absolutely beautiful. I can see a 356 Spider, I can see an XK 120, I can see an EB 110 and an XJ 220. This is an epic place. Let's take a very good look around. With the sunset there behind me, I think it's a good time to end today's video, and we're going to take the liberty to go back to the car through the or right on the actual hill climb. And there's a big party tonight at the Goodwood house, and every car, or the car of every attendee, is just parked right on the hill climb, as you can see. It's a pretty special sight. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow, and take care.